Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see all media on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to view all media on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app and open the chat box of the person on which you want to see the all media of on WhatsApp. And after opening the chat box, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon. Up here, tap on that three dotted icon, and over here you can see the media, links and docs option available for us just above the search. If you tap on it, guys, all of the links, media and documents which you had sent to that person will be available over there. You can see that will be available everywhere, and you can see. But because I haven't sent anything to this contact or my friend, it will show nothing. But in your case, guys, all of the media on WhatsApp will be available over here on the chat of that person. And guys, this is how to see all media on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.